Hello everyone, welcome to JPR 2024. I'm here with...
My name is Rekha Ranganathan and I lead for GE Healthcare all of imaging digital solutions, and I'm very excited to be here at JPR.
No, it's a pleasure, Rika. Welcome to Brazil. So I have two questions for you. One is regarding AI. How AI is changing healthcare?
Yeah, so AI has been one of the biggest breakthroughs that we have seen, across technology, and it is starting to really impact, healthcare as well. For patients and doctors, it means, faster diagnosis. Doctors can use AI to help them look at images faster and make the diagnosis faster. So that means, patients will understand what is happening to them sooner. The other big area where we see AI impacting healthcare is in removing waste. Where there are areas where, doctors are doing things that can be routine. It brings a lot more operational efficiency for the physicians as well as the healthcare systems that there are there. And from a GE Healthcare perspective, we have the highest number of AI applications across the industry, and we are investing more to make more and more AI applications. In fact, Air Recon DL, which is one of our most popular applications on MR, has just reached a milestone of scanning 25 million patients as we speak.
It's exciting to hear that, Rika. How does it impact patients directly?
So for patients, few things are very critical. One, you get a faster diagnosis, so there's no uncertainty. You get, better ways to do treatment and understand how it can be more personalized for you. And the most important thing is, if the doctors are a lot more efficient, they have more time to spend with patients and really focus on their patient and their outcomes.
Great. Thank you.
No, it is really, really exciting, and I hope that we see a lot more AI grow in Brazil and in JPR.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.